Welcome to my Kcse Mathematics Revision channel, Teacher Marita. Today we are looking at the translation. The vertices of a triangle, we have a vertices of a triangle A, which is 1, 2, then P 3, 5, and C, which is 4, 1. This one here, the coordinates of C, image, the coordinates of C, that is the image of C under translation factor T is given by 6, -2. So determine the translation factor T. So to get the translation factor T, we say that the translation factor plus the coordinates of the object. This one is giving us the coordinates of the image. So the question is, we are supposed to find this translation factor T. So translation factor T is equals to P. It is the image coordinates of the image minus the coordinates of the object. Therefore, our translation T factor T equals to the image coordinates here is given as 6, then we have -2 minus the coordinates of the object. The object coordinates is given as we are talking about the object coordinates because here we are talking about the coordinates of C image. That is the image of C. So we are using the coordinates of C. The coordinates of C is 4, 1. So we subtract 4, 1. So if we subtract this one, 6 minus 4, you get 2. -2 minus 1, you get -3. Therefore, our translation factor T equals to P 2, then we have -3, correct. Find the coordinates of A prime, that is the image of A, and the P prime, that is the image of P, under translation factor T. Now that we have this translation factor T, so from the formula here, that the translation factor T plus the coordinates of the image is coordinates of the object is equivalent to the coordinates of the image. So to get the image of A, we are using this translation T. Now that we have our T from A, that our T is 2, -3, we can now use this translation. So we need to get now the image. From here, that image, the image of A image here, from the formula, is the same as A image is the translation factor, which is this one here, 2, then we have -3, then plus the coordinates of the object. Coordinates of the object of A is given as 1, 2. So plus this is 1, and then we have 2 like that. So if we 2 plus 1 is equivalent to be 3, then we have -3 plus 2. You can use a calculator here, and then you see this one is a +2, this one is -3, then we have that one remains -1. So we have this one as -1. So the question is, find the coordinates of A. Therefore, the coordinates of A image is 3 from here, then we have -1. Then also we have the coordinates of P image. We can also do the same. Translation is 2, then we have -3. This one is plus. The coordinates of A, P, it is 3, 5. So we have this is 3, then we have 5. So if we add that one, what do we have? We have 2 plus this one is giving us 5. Then we have -3 plus this one is giving us, we subtract 5 from here. This one is giving us 2 positive. Therefore, the image of P, the coordinates of P is 5, 2. That is how you can get the image of P under that the image of P under translation factor P and translation factor T, and the coordinates of image of A under the translation. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, watch and share.